Ubasan buar sulai MLA ke BJP na South Shillong bat Menteri Badi Kimi Yakatan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ke Sorkar jela ulapan pau baka parti kan yai peteng kersan ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA pelalam kamat dengan National People Party NPP hadu bandakut kan ika samui trikam. Nakaliang ubasan buar uloong ha kejelang jang State Executive Committee kalau dan kejing ajimut ha kebaidai bat kejing syak kena bamsap ha kan di Sorkar MDA. Ubasan buar uloong baka don tang kejing ajimut ndai klem simpat ya kan du karai pan pha syakinong lam ke BJP sa Delhi nak benta bon wengno nak Sorkar.
Kata tema hak executive committee jongga state ke bedang long menakade keladap he don't give views. That is only views, but we have not taken any decision whether we will send that information or to seek the approval of the center to pull from the government. Only abuse of the member bakalom tam te kasuri ko de kata proceeding jongka meeting but kampat hadin jongka kata kamdon ke decision ke ba nginto kum ke party as a full state BJP saka Sorkar kampat don kata sementara dakawan ke director no Delhi ba me haban mi no tengah haban mi napa ayo entah ke ngalakren henceforth iba hek ne ba muri ne kui de kaba haba PI gino no press statement da consult yang aru otherwise don't put the name of BJP, put your own name. Abang ngam TPAYD put that state BJP, it is including me, but I'm not aware about all this thing. It came out of the paper takadaw henceforth ngalong nang nech kamat if you have to give any press statement against the BJP or against the MDA government without my knowledge, I will not entertain, I will not allow. Larpin ko no banai statement what you kran labla kam tu you mendai ban kran labla kam tu ki press ti bapli bai kan du kinong ban kran du nre om pa nganu mo ais kanu no statement without the consultation of state executive member tagamut mendai no haki bu haki long buri tu pihak li tu kran ka jing dom ne tai tenre in the name of party, that's why henceforth I appeal to all my colleagues in the BJP to refrain from giving all these individual statements. Any statement, it should come from the full-fledged members of the Hakapur Bathawi government. Ki central leader jung do President Joganeda, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma, Chief Minister ng Assam, ulung chairman, Jogan North East Democratic Alliance, Sir Alphonse Kewan of Kapur, central leader jungi Sar Kiran Rijiju Kiawan banyak form yang kena government. Te mental ada ba umpan pull down the government ru if the question arise kum ke begimi apa kot kubur hang ne kami kot kubur nama bakiai how far ngam tip ne ga su sibi ndai na ngam tip ye ru yakini statement. Te kala sulong no kadi ka kenja personal jonor no at his personal level why. Tenre ngihi la dengan pull down dia ben yo ka directive no na Delhi. Di na Delhi ki ba pasan yang bangin aya ka support jaga MDA government led by the NPP. If you have to pull down also we have to get the same directive from the center. Nobody can say anything like this in the newspaper. Nobody can just give a statement like this without I'm not aware about this anything. Lot of people but I make statement but pull down. You should get my consent also, my signature also. I want that without my knowledge you cannot give all this thing. Whatever I give their name. Don't take the name of the BJP because I'm also a BJP MLA.
Halor ke jingkan tho jong ba el hek yak Sorkar MDA ubasan buar uloong bakapor baudang long kubu Menteri Sorkar jukran ni ndai tang susha pendu man long kubu Menteri Sorkar mentau la sedang ban kan tho kalai ke Sorkar.
Ubah hek ula job MLA Sausin. Ula long mechot nongelam bala mo ki pajba kelai Sausin. Tengaru pinakain no bad MDC tengah along prasien job election njurem teringi sotu kumtaket te abadai para kolik habadon kinu ki statement ban ai nomor mensua iba hek habai bat yang cuki minister pa iba tu njudon dek mungkin statement te ndai mundan chopo ko cuki ban ya ai mungkin statement ki ba persa ki ba iu nomor iru itu napa government kalong biet kin te nakaliang jungi Dr. Karluki kamu presiden juga state NPP takadai bandong telaraja ba pimso hun yang ada kayu te resign no kin nagapus resign from the nagapus ba piban but not to pull from the pull down from the government until we get a directive from kan pangimpat yo yaka hukum no po dali telarapi lapinang pat yaka pus te trailang dadun kidunu ki problems ki jong pi rabe chief minister raj ki concern department te kalong kam kai na ki gumne gumururang ba ki agi ni statement gumne ta gumur pa ba suir hi